Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to look at the Google Sheet email reminder dashboard developed using Google Apps Script. This tool allows you to send emails and reminders directly from your sheet. Why is it better than other products or services? Because you don't need to share files. Your team can work on the same file without missing any updates. You don't need to stay on the app to let it complete. It has an easy share and user friendly interface. You can also attach any attachment by simply pasting the link. Use it for client onboarding, updates to existing clients, cold emailing, reminders to clients, and more. Quick tour. Let's get started with a quick tour. First, we have our customer sales sheet. Here you can enter all your client details such as their name, email address, stage of interaction, fees quoted, and more. This organized layout helps you keep track of every client interaction. You can attach any attachment in the mail by just pasting the link in the cell and generate auto subjects and messages. After filling in all the details, you just need to click on Send Mail. We provide two buttons, one for sending mail through individual email addresses and another for sending messages through labels. This helps you send mail to large groups of people without needing their individual email IDs. Next, let's move on to the heart of our system, the due date management sheet. This is where you manage all your deadlines and reminders. For each client, you can set a due date and up to 3 reminders. Simply enter the dates, and our app script will automatically send out emails on those specified dates. It even highlights the cells once the emails are sent, so you can easily see what's been completed. Here also, we have two options, one via email IDs and another via labels, email log. Next, we have the email log sheet. Every email that goes out is recorded here with a timestamp, email address or label, subject, message, status, and any attached file links. This log provides a comprehensive history of all your email communications, ensuring you have a clear record of what's been sent and when. Dashboard, one of the standout features of our system is the dashboard. This is where you can get a quick overview of all your key metrics. You'll see the total reminders sent, upcoming reminders, total recipients, and more. Want to know how many emails were sent today or yesterday? The dashboard has got you covered. Plus, it shows upcoming events to help you stay on top of your schedule. Thank you and Dhanyavad for all your time today. We hope you find this tool useful in managing your emails and reminders efficiently. If there is a desire to buy the tool, contact to Divyan developers now. We can also help you to integrate any extra features in it to make it cool.